side swings here, side swing cross like here. Okay, now I'm exaggerating these movements, and obviously you might look at me and be like, bruv, I'm not even that bad. But what I'm trying to get to is we want to basically one take, yeah? Watch this. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. We're here at the RAHQ to teach you another fire boss skipping tutorial. Now people, today I'm gonna be talking to you about posture, all right? And how you guys can make your jump rope game look extra slick by basically disconnecting your legs from your body, all right? It's gonna make a lot of sense when I get into this tutorial, but before you do anything else, hit the subscribe button. Check my links down below. If you haven't got yourself a rope, a mat, some cool apparel, do all that, get yourself the #1 speed rope on the planet, hands down, and join our incredible fitness community, guys, that we're just taking over cardio. And I want you all to get involved right away. So what do I mean by this, guys? This is a posture tutorial. Now we're trying to get your jump rope game super slick. The main thing I want you to do and take away from this video, it's gonna be a really short tutorial, but whatever level you are, beginner or advanced, always take this concept away, okay? Your legs, all right? Your legs are the driving force behind whatever you do with skipping, right? Your legs need to be able to be timed with your rope, right? When your rope's obviously coming around, your legs need to time with that. They need to time with your hands, how fast your hands rotate. They need to time with everything. So your legs are super important, okay? As well as your wrists, obviously, because that controls the speed of the rope. But you need to get a control of your legs. Now, what I see a lot of people doing when they get into their skipping game, right, is that they basically have a lot of movement, a lot of excessive movement on their upper body, which affects how their legs work and affects how their rope is, and it leads to trips. One example, for example, is, let's say you're doing some side swings, okay? Now, my side swings will look like this, for example, okay? Now, if you want to kind of spice it up, you can do like a double side swing here, like here. You can maybe just do a little southpaw like this. What the common beginner would do, right, is they'll add too much excessive body movements. And what that does is it affects loads of things. So they might twist here, here, side swings here, side swing cross like here. Okay, now I'm exaggerating these movements, and obviously you might look at me and be like, bruv, I'm not even that bad. But what I'm trying to get to is we want to basically separate your body and your legs and make sure that your body stays quiet. Now the comment or the kind of sentence you want to take away from this is, just imagine you have like a photo frame around your body and it's over your arms as well, okay? So you can't break away from this kind of frame, this box around your body. You can't twist sideways or kind of come away laterally. You can't twist much as well. Okay, now what that's going to help you do is now our chest and our arms are pretty much locked in. Doesn't mean we're stiff, it just means we're locked in. So when it comes to doing kind of really cool movements, the body just stays nice and straight, okay? You don't have these lateral movements, which is going to affect everything to do with the timing of your jumps. If you move and twist, for example, if you kind of twist like this, okay, you see my legs, the legs have to go with the body. The legs are struggling to get these jumps done correctly. It's going to look awkward, not going to look super slick. So we want, for example, that move again, we want this body nice and straight and not twisting, right? Because that's what I see a lot of people doing, and it's gonna just twist everything out of place and it's not gonna make any sense. So take this away, frame, legs now, the next comment, next thing you need to remember, legs basically stay nice and straight, nice and easy, straight. I've already talked about flexing the knees, so I don't need to kind of continue that, but you don't wanna feel like you're kind of coming sideways as well, unless you're trying to do it on purpose, right? Obviously there's some moves where you can kind of twist like this. For example, you could do like a little box, a little step, opening the body. That's really nice and cool, but when you're trying to do double unders, for example, legs jump, land in the same spot, all right? Also when you're doing things like running crossovers, yeah, legs landing in the same spot. No excessive movement on the body, legs same spot. And that is pretty much what I talk about when it comes to posture. You don't want to be, you're only feeling like it's a lot more effort than it already is, all right, with skipping. I didn't want this tutorial to go on too long. It's just more of a case of just giving you guys the ideas behind my thinking, behind my experiences, how I've got the level I've got to today with these small little ideas, right? So legs, engine, body, nice, relaxed, stable, no excessive movements. That's all you need to remember. So people, hope that tutorial helped you. Give it a go. Remember, use a mirror, use a camera, record yourself, see if you're spinning out of position. That's going to lead to trips, it's going to lead to adjustments with your hands, your wrists, your arms. Keep it all locked in, nice and relaxed. Picture frame, that's all you need to remember. So remember, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, drop me a like, drop me a comment, and yeah, man, help me grow this community. Again, we're taking over cardio, and I want you all to start skipping like bosses and enjoying your fitness game. So I'll see you in the next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.